Hello everyone, happy holidays. It's Darin Martineau with ProMagicArt.com. In this video I'm going to show something I'm working on, which is it's a card palm, and then it's also got a card to any number. Well, it's not to any number, it's like a small number between 1 and 10. So we're going to start with the Gen palm. You're going to control the selection to the top, do any kind of false shuffles and cuts that you want. Use your favorite one. Now you're going to go into, as you do a pressure fan, okay? If you don't know how to do the pressure fan, refer to my other videos where I will teach that, okay? It's not too difficult. The card is on top. Now after you made the pressure fan, you're going to come back and you're going to look like you're straightening the fan out a little bit, okay? But what you're doing back here is you're going to push this up a little bit so that your top card is kind of in the middle of the fan. Okay, this is from the Gen, taught me by my mentor Allan, Ackerman, of course. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to ask them if they know how to shuffle. You're going to bring the attention onto them. Okay, as you come back from an exposed angle, what you're going to do is, as your thumb comes behind, you're going to kind of squish this. What's going to happen is all the cards are going to come up, and this is going to go into the cop position. Okay, this is very, very clean. If you're on the edge of the table, this is so you don't flash down here. If you're standing up, it's just held, and this ring finger in your hand is completely relaxed. There's some tells to avoid. You don't want to kick out the thumbs anytime you're palming, and there's lots of different things, so we'll go back into that. You control the card on the top using your favorite control. Okay, you're going to make pressure fan. As you come back to kind of straighten the fan, your thumb of your right hand is going to move this up a little bit, the top card. When you're ready, okay, you're going to ask them if they know how to shuffle, pointing to them. This hand is shown empty for a reason, which you'll see as you come over here. This is exposed angle, okay? You're going to take all the cards. As you do that, this is going to squash between your heel palms, and it's going to go down into the cop position. Okay? So it will look just like you're taking this. Your hand is relaxed. You're going to hand them the deck to shuffle. Now, you make a shuffling gesture. They see your right hand empty. Now you're going to come back and you're going to place it from the cop position into the classic palm position. Okay. Now you're going to say, go ahead and shuffle the deck. Okay. This is a holdout method. Now this is a method from Wagner's. Your hands rest on the table, and you have to have a table for this because you have to have a reason. Your hands come rest on the table. From the classic palm, you're going to kind of, as your fingers come in, you're going to kind of pop this out so this goes underneath it. Okay, so it looks just like your hand rested on top of each other. You then transfer that. Okay, that is done like this. Okay, so we'll back it up. It's here. You're asking them to shuffle the cards. You make the shuffle gesture. They see each hand empty. Your hands are going to rest here. As you come in, your pinky is going to pop this up into this position. Your hand's going to come between it. Okay, so that brought it, the left hand between the card and your right hand. Now you're going to grab at the thumb here, because what you're going to do is you're going to be in this position for a moment. Okay, so this is the holdout position. Let's back it up. You're here. Now you're going to go to here. Now you're not throwing the heat on the hands, the attention is on them, but what this is for is to show both hands empty as you say shuffle the deck, but it's also to get the card palmed, but now I've got it reversed. Okay, so there's a reason for all this. Okay, so we'll back it up. You've gone to here, the hands, the transfer, okay, and this is all done when you're not throwing attention to your hands, like I said. Now when they give the deck back to you, card is reversed and it's in the classic palm. You're going to tell them the name and number between before you take the deck back, or as you take the deck back. You're going to go into this position here. You're going to reload the card. You're going to say name and number between 1 and 10. So let's say for this example they named to 7. So you're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards off the top of the spread. You're going to squish this from the palm, and this is going to put it right in position. So it doesn't look like you've done anything. It just looks like you've taken the deck back. You set it down, they put their finger on top, they name number 7. You make the magical gesture, you go, look, you shuffle the cards, I didn't do anything, even though you did. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 7th, the card will appear face up. So it's a nice revelation. So if you like that, please like, subscribe, and share. Go to promagicart.com. Join the diamond level today. And we have some specials coming up where we're going to have our magic consulting included in it's going to be called the double diamond package. So be watching for that soon.